So hello guys, welcome to our channel Low End Gamer. In this video I am going to tell you about how to earn money on Omelette Arcade. Easily we can draw up to 50,000 per month. So first of all, the reason why I am choosing Omelette Arcade here is that YouTube is a big platform. In that the competition is very high. We have to get 1k subscribers and 4000 watch hours over a year. It is very difficult until we get highlighted. Once we are get highlighted, no problem. And while coming to the Omelette Arcade, I will tell you how to earn money. So first of all, simply go to Play Store and install Omelette Arcade. Here you can see create account and login. Oh, I am logging in with my account. So I have logged in. Here we can see that these are all the lives and posts which the followers will make. This is our profile guys. Here the most important thing we have to note down is that I will teach you two types of earning methods. One is very easy and one is a long-term process. The first one is that sponsors means voluntary payments that we can pay towards a channel according to their content creation. Like for example, I am watching this video. I want to subscribe to this guy, and I click on subscribe. Here 440 for month. Here it is 440 for month. So what is the use of subscribing or sponsoring a follower omelette creator? Here we will get the sponsor badge. After our name we will get this sponsor badge. Colorful live messages. Here we can see ordinary messages, but if we subscribe him or sponsor him, we will get a highlighted colorful message. Sponsors only stream chat. In Omelette there is an option like in YouTube also it is there. Members only stream, like here also the streamers will conduct followers only, sponsors only stream. In stream announcement, we sponsor somebody, the stream announcement will be special. It will ring like a bell, and we have to get one sponsor, at least one sponsor, for the easy way of monetization. After we get one sponsor, click on my sponsors. Go to your profile and click on my sponsors. At present I have 3 sponsors. Here you can find Omelette Creator Program. Click on that. Here Omelette Creator Partner Program application will be opened. Congratulations, you have taken the first step to turning your passion into a career. So here we have to fill our details, our PayPal or Coinbase account and our personal ID we have to submit as a proof. So I skipped the application because it contains my personal information. Here we can see that Omelette creators are eligible to receive and withdraw the cash compensation from their subscribers. We can receive our cash compensations. We can withdraw our money to PayPal or Coinbase. So what is the process? If we apply in the previous Google form I have applied, we will receive an email asking applying your full details, from where are you, which country, and your PAN card account number, and like that. We will get that application form. Anybody getting that application and having doubts to fill it can comment me. I will try to solve it. Then from we will receive again a confirmation email saying that congratulations, you became an Omelette partner. You can withdraw the cash compensations from their subscribers. So what to do after Omelette partner program, Omelette creator program? This is not partner program, different, both are different. Here we can see my wallet in our profile. At present I have 53 tokens. After creator program, all these tokens will be converted into a jewels. What are jewels? Jewels are currency. Jewels are a form of currency in Omelette Arcade. All the tokens we receive through buffs or comment chats, super chat, like super chat in YouTube. we'll convert it into jewels. 20,000 jewels is the minimum cash out fixed by the Omelette Arcade. For 20,000 jewels we can get $100. This is the easiest way to earn money from Omelette Arcade. And the next one is the permanent way. Here look, that the easiest way, we have to receive 20k jewels for withdrawal. Without 20k jewels we cannot withdraw. The customers, our followers may or may not send buffs every time, so this is a temporary way. Here get verified, you can see this is a permanent way, like YouTube monetization. If we click verified, here some like some rules are given. Satisfaction, like 1k subscribers and 4000 watch hours. Average PCU means concurrent viewers. Concurrent viewers for our stream must be 25 or more. Stream, we should at least stream for 40 hours and 15 unique days for live streaming, and we should get 10,000 followers. We can click on apply. We will get a tick mark after our name. Then we can get permanent money, permanent monetization. You can get daily, you can withdraw daily, like that. So guys, this is about how to earn on Omelette Arcade. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video. Those who are interested on Omelette Arcade can go and use these guidelines to earn money. And also don't forget to follow me on Omelette Arcade. Thank you guys, bye bye.